Hi guys and welcome to the channel. My name is Mariella and the channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Today is June the 23rd and the daily devotion is Seek Him Out. Seek more of His strength. Seek more of Him. Let's always be seeking the light of His face. Psalms 105 verse 4. If only we could carry the feeling we get from a great church service, Bible study, concert, or conference, everywhere we go. When we are filled with the Spirit, God's strength is our strength. When we are inspired by praise, we see the world through the Lord's eyes. Life tends to make continual basking impossible. Though we have bills to pay, tests to study for, and things to clean, we are worn down by stress and struggles. Having wandered from that wonderful place of basking, we are reminded of how much we need it. Open arms open. He's right here where we left him. God, sometimes I forget I am the one who wanders away. You remain in the light, loving me, reminding me I need only seek your beautiful face. Nighttime says, when separated from our companions in a crowd, we scan each face looking for one that is familiar. Once we see the eyes we know, or the smile we love, we feel at ease. No matter where we are, their face can us home. I think that's a typo. I think it's supposed to say their face can bring us home, but this is what our Lord wants from us. Seek my face, he tells us. Look for the eyes that love you more than life. Search out the smile he reserves just for you to come home. And the question is, when you seek him, where do you look? When I seek God, I do it in prayer. I do it through prayer, knowing that he's listening. Sometimes I read my Bible to seek Him. Sometimes I watch church on YouTube. So I want to thank you all for watching today. If you would like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my videos, I would appreciate it. And remember, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys.